Hi, arrays are managed quite similarly in different languages, like in PHP, Java, Python. Once you know arrays in one language, usually you know the arrays handling in other language. Uh, in PHP, they're called array. Java, they're called array. In Python, they are called list. So let's start with PHP first. This is my demo.php, and I'm using XAMPP for that one. This is the array, very simple. Declare a variable like cars, and then square bracket. I want to have a string array, so double quotes, and separated by a comma. At the end, semicolon. Simple as that. This is one way that we are having array. And how to read that, how to process it, for loop, because these are three values and we know these are three values. So start from 0, go until 3, and echo cars its index. I first time is 0 and so on. So let's see here. This is the result. Okay. There is another way. So I'm going to hide it. This is another way of array in PHP. Okay. And this is using array keyword, and here we use parentheses. So notice the difference. If I copy it here, and you will see closely what's going on. You can either declare this way using square bracket. If you don't want to use that, you have to use array keyword. And in that case, because this is array keyword is a method, that's why you should use parentheses. All right, so I'm going to hide this one. So let's process this one with same result, refresh it, same result. All right. So these are the ways in PHP. Now let's move on to Java. So this is my demo.java. I'm using Eclipse for that. This is my main method. Here, I want to declare string array. So I must put string because in Java, we should explicitly tell what kind of array I am going to have. Okay, if I am having integer array, so I will say like this, for example, ID, and in this case, I want to store ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Right. So now this is ID is integer array that can only store integer values. Right. All right. So cars is a string array. Now I want to read that using similar kind of for loop that we had starting from 0, I is 3, I plus plus, println cars I. So let's see. So it prints the same thing. Okay. There is another way that we can declare array in Java, and I'm going to close that one. That is this way. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and I will put it there. Okay, I think this is easy. All right. So in this case, I'm not hard coding the values immediately like I did here. Okay. It's like initializing array with values. Here I'm just setting string, cars, new keyword, and again string, and the size that I need. I will store three values, so three size is 3. Now I want to store values. So this is the value car 0 Volvo. Its one location is BMW. Its two location is Toyota. And then I can read it. So save it, run it. So same result. Okay, you can either declare array this way, initialize with values, or you declare with size, and then you assign individual values. Okay, so this is Java. Now we move on to Python. Okay, in Python, we will use square bracket. Okay, it's, if you notice, it's similar to PHP. Okay. Okay, so cars, three values separated by a comma because these are strings, so we must put these double quotes. And then for I as my variable, in range start from 0 go until 3 because I have three values. So this one is 0 location, 1 location, 2 location, and in range 3 actually is not included. So 0, 1, 2. Now here cars, it comes here to print, and I is first time 0, then 1 and 2 and so on. So it's like that. Okay, although in Python there are some other ways also, using some import methods, like uh, some NumPy with uh, import methods, but we are not going to go there in that uh, importing things. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.